Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the rustic, Spanish and authentic agricultural town of Cox. This is a Spanish town that is located in the Vega Baja del Segura region, overlooking the Callosa Mountains and in the Valencian community. Today I'm going to be showing you some semi-detached villas that are currently under a new regeneration, a regenerated project that actually has been brought back to life. These villas are on a plot of between 183 and 280 square meters, and the actual villa itself actually offer 108 to 210 square meters. They offer 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, are distributed on 2 floors with a solarium. So, whilst I'm looking at this beautiful mountain behind me, let's get on with the tour. Entering the property from the pedestrian entrance, you're immediately coming into a pathway that leads you directly to the front door. But the garden and the terraces actually do surround the property, which is really quite nice. What you will find is that they have decided to gravel certain areas of the garden spaces to keep it low maintenance. But if you decided that you wanted to have it landscaped in a different way, that is absolutely up to you. Right here where I'm stood would be the parking space for your vehicles. You would automatically come through these gates that would open, and you also would be able to park not just 1 but maybe even 2 vehicles within this space. What's great as well is that they've also pre-installed a vehicle charging port. So let's say you've got an electric or hybrid vehicle, you've got it covered. But we're going to explore the gardens some more. So like taking you from this area, what's really nice as well is that you've got different kinds of spaces that you could use for relaxing, outdoor entertaining, spending time with your friends and your family. And it also sweeps really gently and quite nicely even to the rear of the property, where you also have an additional space there leading from your kitchen. What I also really like is that they've even got a doorway here that enables you access to actually leave the property from the rear. Hello. So as you enter the home, you're immediately met with a light, bright and inviting entry. It does lead to what is an open plan living dining space that offers 35 square meters and a ceiling height throughout the home of 2.5 meters. What I do like about the space is that you do feel that there is this real seamless flow with the light that you get through the patio doors and windows in this living space, but also with the harmonious way in which they have done the interior design. Right here, I'm actually stood in the dining space, and as you can see, there is a dining table here set to dine for. But then I'm going to take you into what is the living area. This living room is really lovely in the sense that it is cozy, it is inviting, and also for comfort, you also have patio doors that slide and open and give you access to your front garden. Now I'm taking you from the living area over the way to where you will find your kitchen. This is what you would call a separate kitchen, in the sense that it is still giving you the harmonious, seamless balance between the living spaces, but for those that like it separate, it's also great too. What I do like about this kitchen is that you have all of your kitchen appliances included. In the corner here, they have put your refrigerator and also your freezer. You also have your oven, a space for the microwave should you need one, the cooking hob and your extractor. There is also the dishwasher And on this side, you have the kitchen sink. What they have done is incorporated porcelain stoneware here with the countertops, but they have also incorporated wooden elements to soften and balance the design. You also have, for ease and also for comfort, through a kitchen door, access to your rear terrace, which is great if you're wanting to be able to go out and entertain your family outside and dine outdoors. Taking you now from the kitchen, next to the kitchen, for ease, you also have a storage room. And then here you will find that you have access to the guest bathroom. All of the bathrooms that are within the project are fully equipped and also light and bright. Taking you from the bathroom now into what is the first bedroom. This first bedroom offers 10 square meters and has a similar interior feel. On one side you have your window, and on the other you also have your fitted wardrobes. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor, and this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. As we go along the hall, I'm going to be taking you now to the second bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright with a similar interior feel. On one side you have a large window that gives you beautiful views of the natural landscape, and then on the other wall you also have your fitted wardrobes. Taking you out of the second bedroom, I'm now going to take you into the third bedroom. This bedroom is again light and bright. It offers 12 square meters. On one side you have your fitted wardrobes, but then also on the other side you also have access to this really cute terrace, which gives you the front perspective of the home, but also gives you, once again, beautiful views of the mountains and also of the surrounding landscape. And then we're going to come back into the hall. And as I do so, I'm just going to explain very quickly that it does come with lots of specifications that I will actually inform you of later in the nitty-gritty. Here you also have access to the main bathroom, which is fully equipped. And at the end of the hall, you also have access to the solarium. This solarium is again giving you more space to enjoy outdoors. Taking you from the first floor, where you have this lovely little space here which gives you a beautiful nook as well as an exterior storage room, I'm taking you up the terracotta stone staircase to what is your extra living outdoor space. Offering you 44 square meters, you have also a solarium. This solarium is wonderful in the sense that you get those panoramic views of exactly where we are. You see the mountains, you see the rolling countryside, you see how green the area is, and even in the distance recreational spaces that you can enjoy in your free time. What I like about this solarium though is that there is even going to be installation for a summer kitchen should you want to have a lovely entertaining feel for your family and friends to enjoy on this level too. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is 150 to 200 euros per year. The community fee is 40 euros per month, and the refuse is 180 euros per year. I like the residential of San Fernando. I think it offers splendid specifications and also is a regeneration of properties that I've seen that is of a good high standard. Within the specifications included, you will find pre-installation of hot and cold air conditioning, pre-installation of solar panels, pre-installation for an electric vehicle gate and also an electric car charger, a summer kitchen in your solarium, kitchen appliances that are Teca included, interior and exterior LED lighting, and electric shutters. There are more, but I could go on forever. Nevertheless, you can find it all on our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. What I actually liked more about it also was the actual strategic location of these homes. being just 10 kilometers away from Oriella, 15 kilometers away from the golf courses of La Finca and Vista Bella, 40 kilometers away from Alicante city and airport, and 25 kilometers from Murcia city, you're kind of in the middle of it all. Surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes of mountains, green rolling countryside, it is really a lovely spot that blends seamlessly tranquility, serenity, and also access to other things in neighbouring towns and cities. So as I said, if you do like this property, all of the details will be in the description on our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. All of your likes and subscriptions make a huge difference to our company and also to the quality of content that we produce. And so I'm going to say bye-bye for now, everybody. Hasta pronto.